Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. How are we all doing? I hope all is well with you. So yesterday was DPM birthday and Biafrans celebrated in a different way, like messages, prayers, wishes, name it. People trooped out and begin to pour, birthday message, birthday wishes, songs. In our own program yesterday, people, I mean, the love is not be here, you understand? And I love the fact that everybody have reacted on that, and the messages and the the prayers and the wishes, in fact, I was very tired because we spent a long time discussing about what consensus and birthday and DPM birthday. So she has dropped a message to appreciate Biafrans, and of course, her friends are well wishers. So I'm gonna play the video for you to hear what she said. But before then, please make sure you like the video and subscribe to the channel. Share it on the platform of your choice. Very, very important that you do so. And don't forget to put your comment. Let us know what you think about it. This is DPM, her message to Biafrans, and of course to her friends and well wishers, because gratitude is something that personally I love it. When you appreciate somebody and the person, of course, and acknowledge that your appreciation and understand the fact that that your love is not being taken for granted. That is one thing about DPM. She's not just educated; she's an educated person with sense. Please listen to this. I'll be right back. God bless you.
All right. Thank you so much, Biafrans. All the birthday wishes, all the gifts, all the prayers. Oh my goodness. Very overwhelming. Again, please, if you don't get a response from me, hopefully I will be able to do that by the end of the day. It's been so much messages, prayers, gifts, and all that, calls. And I want to thank those of you that I couldn't take your call because I was busy doing one thing or the other. Please do understand with me. I love you all. I remember you all, Biafrans. Again, this is Dr. Oraueze, the Deputy Prime Minister and Chief of Staff to the newly declared United States of Biafra, which was declared in Lahti, Finland, November 29th, 2024. After 50 million Biafrans voted through a self-referendum to exit the enclave called Nigeria, which is already a failed state. So I thank you all so much. I want to use this opportunity to thank God for another wonderful year on this earth. Some people started it, but they never got to this point. So I thank God for the gift of life, for the love, for freedom, for wisdom, for the capacity and the patience to continue to pilot the affairs of this newly declared nation, the United States of Biafra. I thank God for His blessings. More importantly, I thank you, Biafrans, for being able to stand with the United States of Biafra government, for being able to know that the freedom and the restoration of Biafra is not held up by the Nigerian state. It is held up by Biafrans that are recruited to work for the Nigerian state. So I thank you all so much for realizing that and being able to cut off those shackles that have held us all this while. So as I celebrate this day in a way that is just okay, not the regular big celebration, I thank you all for your love, your understanding, your prayers. The independent medias, thank you all so much. Biafrans that are sending messages, thank you all so much. I truly, truly appreciate that. My family, my children, my loved ones, my friends, oh, thank you all so much for your prayers, for the wonderful gifts some of you started sending since the beginning of this week. I thank you all so much. Again, God will continue to guide and safeguard and make us go home as quickly as possible. I thank our allies. Again, this is my birthday. It's not supposed to be a political speech, but there's no way you can talk about your birthday without talking about those things that are very close and dear to your heart. So that's exactly what I'm doing. So I thank you all for your support. Biafrans that have been supporting the restoration of our new nation through your donations, through your advice, through your guidance, through your activities, your different activities. I thank you all so much. I appreciate you all. Again, today is my birthday, 3rd March, and I just want to use this song to thank you all for your help, for your assistance, your presence. What you do makes this job easier for me. Continue to maintain that, for our new nation is already here. So here's the song. I'm sure you all know that. All of you are fully familiar to this same song. Ahụrụ m onye ije ike gwụrụ n'ụzọ ya, ọ na-eji ije ya n'olileanya, wee jụọ ya ihe kpaliri mmụọ ya. Ọ sịrị m, olileanya dị ngọzi, ma n'iru ya ka egosiri ọtụtụ nsogbu na echiche. Wee jụọ ya ihe kpaliri mmụọ ya. Ọ sịrị, olileanya dị ngọzi n'ime ọnọdụ anyị niile, n'ime ọnọdụ anyị niile, n'iru ọnọdụ m niile. Jehova ịdịrị obi m mma o, n'iru ọnọdụ m niile, n'ime ọnọdụ m niile, n'ime ọnọdụ m niile. Eze ebube ịdịrị obi m mma, n'iru ọnọdụ m niile, n'iru ọnọdụ m niile, n'iru ọnọdụ m niile. Onye nwe anyị ịdịrị obi anyị mma o, n'iru ọnọdụ anyị niile, n'ime ọnọdụ anyị niile, n'ime ọnọdụ anyị niile. Thank you so much, Biafrans. Continue to stay the course. Do not be moved. Do not be threatened. Don't let your guards down. We are on the right track. Do not be moved. Thank you all so much, Biafrans, for your love, for your understanding, for your blessings, for everything you do to make this day a special day for me. Thank you so much. I truly appreciate that. And one of the songs I have is this. And it goes like this. For those of you that do not understand Igbo language, the summary just says that everything we do is in the hand of God. That shows that this freedom we already got was destined to happen. No one can touch that. Always remember, thousands, many people have sought for Biafra restoration and freedom. But due to the internal sabotage, they've not been able to get that. But God has broken all the sabotage for us. And we have successfully restored our new nation legally. And we are legally now removing Nigeria from our nation. So this song says that everything we do is in the hand of God. It goes like this. Ihe niile dị n'ụwa dị gị n'aka. Ihe niile anyị nwere n'ụwa dị gị n'aka. Ọnwụ dị gị n'aka, ndụ dị gị n'aka. Ebe nwere enyi Jizọs, onye ka m ga-atụ egwu ọzọ. Ihe niile nwere n'ụwa dị gị n'aka. Ụlọ niile nwere n'ụwa dị gị n'aka. Ndụ dị gị n'aka, ọnwụ dị gị n'aka. Ebe anyị nwere enyi Jizọs, onye ka anyị ga-atụ egwu ọzọ. It says that everything we have is in the hand of God.
Yeah.
Since we have everything, who are we going to be afraid of? Moto niile anyị nwere n'ụwa dị gị n'aka. Ọlụ niile anyị nwere n'ụwa dị gị n'aka. Ọnwụ dị gị n'aka, ndụ dị gị n'aka. Ebe nwere enyi Jizọs, onye ka m ga-atụ egwu ọzọ. No one. Ihe niile nwere n'ụwa dị gị n'aka. Ndụ niile anyị nwere n'ụwa dị gị n'aka. Ọnwụ dị gị n'aka, ndụ dị gị n'aka. Ebe anyị nwere enyi Jizọs, onye ka ga-atụ egwu ọzọ. Biafrans, do not be afraid of anyone. May God bless you all, and may God bless the United States of Biafra.
All right, that is DPM there. Imagine somebody like this as a Fulani woman, as a Muslim, or your watch, or your war. Can you imagine that? Don't you have conscience? Let me just ask. Don't you have conscience? Like you don't have even I know that your I mean, those of you saying that kind of thing, I know your brain is not with you, but your conscience should at least should help you out. What does your mind tell you? Like what do you have in your mind? Don't your spirit say something to you, or you are just living like an inanimate object? The fact, allow God of creation to save you. Most of you are not helping yourself. Very, very sad. Very, very sad. Honestly, I'm gonna end it here. I just want to give you this update. Once again, happy birthday to you, DPM, and I pray that God will be your strength. God shall be your strength, in every ramification. Wisdom and knowledge shall not be far away from you. Keep the good work and do not relent. That's my message to DPM. And please make sure you like the video and share it to many platforms of your choice. Good morning to you. See you again. God bless you. Bye-bye for now. And don't forget to subscribe. These are our channel, please. Make sure you are part and parcel of what we do here. God bless you. Take care.